Yo, welcome everybody. Welcome to my welcome subscribers, all new ones, present ones, and upcoming ones. Hope you all had a great, wonderful weekend. We're out on Spikey Trucking, and you can see it's a really kind of frosty morning today. It's currently well, +3 now degrees Celsius. Pretty cold out. We had a 3:15 start from the depot down in Strood this morning, so we run bobtail, we run solo, which in trucking terms that means we run with only the truck without a trailer, all the way from Strood up to Harwich in in Essex, over on the coastline now. Picked up our trailer we wanted, and we've got 4 deliveries on it. As you can see, we've just had a quick cup of tea. We're in the lay-by, got our trailer, and we're just on our way over now to Burton upon Trent to get rid of some of the load, and then we're heading off down to Milton Keynes, and then from Milton Keynes, possibly if we have enough time, to get Dartford off as well in Kent, and then from there we've got Tunbridge, Kent. So we're not going to get all 4 off today, but we'll get off most of what we can. So we're just going to be able to pull out the lay-by. We've got to do another hour and a bit up the road, and then let's check. Yeah, another hour up the road or so, and then we're going to pull in for another break, have half hour, and then go from there. So hopefully in a minute we're just waiting for the traffic to clear out the way, and then maybe we can get rolling. It is a bit busy. We're presently on the A14. I'm heading away from Bury St Edmunds area at the moment. Going to be cutting across obviously to bypassing Kettering, that areas, and then going slightly north up the M1 and then across the A50 and then down on the A38 down into Burton upon Trent. So quite really nice little Christmas trees and stuff there growing now. So yeah, quite a frosty morning. I think we're probably like 2.5 hours across from Burton upon Trent at this moment in time. See the sun beaming down behind us across the white fields. Road's fairly quiet at the moment, not too sad. But the place we're heading to is a crazy place. We've got a few drops on, but they're all going into one groupage place at Burton upon Trent to get rid of them. But it's fork trucks inside the warehouse there. You go in a particular warehouse, you have to park up outside in the lanes, undo all your curtains and stuff, and get all the load ready and prepared, so you don't have to get out the truck and once you get inside the warehouse. But there's just fork trucks running all over the place, man. It's just manic. But so yeah, we'll see that when we get there. Yeah, we arrived now at our destination for our first delivery, Burton on Trent. We've got a bit of an issue. I've just been out to check in there when we booked in at the security gates, but we haven't got a 3-digit reference number, so we've got to wait for that now to come through from the office. So we're just biding our time now, holding still until we get that reference number. Then we can go back and check in at the security desk and go ahead with our delivery. So till then, I'm on a break to grab something to eat quickly, some drink, and we'll be back with you as soon as we're getting nearer to getting the reference number and getting the goods off. So catch us a minute. So it's quite manic. We've arrived at our destination, obviously, which we already know, but we had a 2-hour wait for the reference to get through, and now we've got like 3 or 4 trucks ahead of us, so we're waiting to go in that gate just up there, and we've got these other vehicles here waiting to get tipped, so just got to wait now. And I don't think we're going to get a Milton Keynes job done now. It's like an hour 45 minutes run to do, so we'll see how it goes once we're out of here. So we've got ourselves inside a massive warehouse here. Usually chaotic in here. It's pretty quiet, I think, because it's during the daytime. So once we're done and out of here, yo, yippee! We're done, we're finished, we're out of here. We've just got to get the old trailer done up and get the sides done, and then we'll be done and sorted. So what we've got to do now is shove all this lot back together with the boards and roller straps up, everything else. We ain't going to get Milton Keynes done now. We've just got to go back to our depot near here and then park for the night, and we've got to tip out Milton Keynes tomorrow, Dartford, Tunbridge, and then try and get a reload on possibly at Erith. So we've got all that to do tomorrow. Oh, that needs to be done. So we'll catch you shortly once we get out of here and get the sides done. Okay, so we're just going to head on out of here. We just finished eventually. It's been like here 3.5 to 4 hours now, the time we've got out of this place. So yeah, no time to do Milton Keynes. That's got to be done now in the morning. Going to park up at a depot just the other side of Burton-on-Trent because of the type of goods we have on. The sun's still shining, nice and warm, lovely. The frost has all disappeared. And yeah, we've got Milton Keynes to get done, Tunbridge, Dartford. I think I'm going to do in that order. Then possibly reloading Erith if we can get all that done. Just have to see how it goes. With a bit of luck we can, and we'll see how things go tomorrow. Of Burton-on-Trent. It's going to go across the river. It's nice sights across the river there. Yo, just arrived Milton Keynes for delivery. I've just got to go in, we've got to back in on one of the bays. Get ourselves spun round and tight turn round. I'm just going to get out, get the back doors open. stiff. It's a stiff hold up. I can't remember if she said bay 4 or 5 now. Gonna go on 4, take a gamble. Yeah, hit bay 4 we're going to head on to there. A little bit off, I think. Yeah, I'll just straighten up. Might be perfectly lined up now. Should do it nicely. Oh, just on the bay. Go forward a touch. That's it.